Hey guys, it's me again. It's been a while. New video time, new, like what? New experiment, I guess. So if you haven't watched the last video I made, we made a video where we installed PFSense onto a Cyberoam, the CR50 ING. Today, we're going to spice it up a little bit. I'm going to YOLO it, and we're going to try and install, what are we going to install? OPNsense. We're going to try and install OPNsense, and we're going to see how that goes. I haven't planned, I haven't done anything. We're going to YOLO this, and I'm taking you along for the ride. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I have 4 of these, right? These are obviously, the Cyberoams. They're all the 50 ING. Oh, I lied, this is 100 ING. Wait, what is this? 50 ING. You know, I was gonna say it's one of these. I'm starting to think it's this one now. I didn't even realize I had 100 ING. I wonder what's the difference. Anyways, I think it's this one. This is the one that we need to do. Let's yank the bad boy off. Okay, so there's the insides. Okay. CPU under there. Okay. To the PC. Before we go to the PC, I just thought I'd let you know, I just spent the better part of 10 minutes just trying to find a power cable. And I found one. It's only like 5 meters long. When I said I didn't plan for this video, I really meant it. I just got an idea. I'm like, let me just grab my phone, hit record. We'll figure the rest out along the way. This is going to be an interesting one. That's all I'm saying. This is this is going to be interesting. Progress report. Pretty sure you can hear it, but we're in. Check it out. I'm in the BIOS. So, because I had like 4 of these, and it could be any one. So, Xion, and this was the right one. So I pulled out the right one because only one of them you could get into the BIOS. Only one. The rest would freak out, and they would just say, nah, I'm good with life. I'm gonna die now. So we're in, which means we can install PFSense. Wow. OPNsense. Listen to me being an idiot.
What are you saying? That I'm too stupid for it?
Chris, we're over here.
What are you saying? That I'm too stupid for it?
Okay. So we're on the PC now. Exact same screen. Phone. I have a sneaky suspicion to boot this, so that we can pick up the USB. Yeah, but its first boot is USB. Yeah, USB. Enter to accept. USB FDD. And then it's the hard disk. So exit without saving because it was already set to that. Yes, let's go. Okay, let's see. And bearing in mind, I did just flash this. Let's see if it goes in. My word, this is taking forever just to test memory. Like, come on! Oh, I'm an idiot. You can push escape to skip memory test. Can you? Wait, escape. I'm stupid. Okay. Wow. It didn't boot. Let's do this again. Control delete. Does that work? Oh, lordy. We made boo boo. I thought Control delete would send a command through. What if I would just push the power button? Gonna shut down? No? Okay, I'm sorry, buddy, but I'm gonna kill you. Okay, there you go. It's off. Let's turn it back on. There must be a way to like forcefully boot. I haven't done this in a while. Give me the setup. Let's go. Optimize defaults, save, exit, general help, previous, advanced. Oh wait, there's boot. Can I override boot? Because it's meant to flip and go into the thingy. Boot priority. This one. Can I like plus that? Huh. I can. USB HDD. Let's go back. Go back. Thank you. Is there USB HDD here? Hard disk, USB, FDD, CD-ROM. Okay. Can we go out, please? Thank you. Let's save and exit. Save to CMOS? Yes. I wish I could just override the boot so it can just go straight in. Save my life. Okay, remember this time? We can cancel it. Are you going to go in? Oh! We're getting somewhere. Okay. Now we wait. Well, we don't have a importer, so we're just gonna leave it. Let it do its thing. WAN EM1 LAN EM0. Good to know. I don't even know which any of those interfaces are because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 interfaces. So I'm hoping it starts from left to right because that'd make a lot of sense. We shall see. It's doing a lot of configurating and stuff, which is making me scared because I haven't even installed it yet to the hard drive. Just to point that out yet, this is still on the USB. That's gonna be fun. Because it's starting a lot of services. I'm hoping this doesn't just run on the USB. This is not what I wanted. It beeped. No. You serious? Did I like miss something maybe here? OPNsense. Serial escape to loader prompt reboot. So are you telling me this actually installed straight to the... Huh? Let's log in as root. Password. I don't know. Wait. Let's actually read. OPNsense is running in live mode from installer media. Please log in as root to continuous live mode or as installer to start the installation. Okay, installer. I don't know if there's a password. I'm going to leave it blank. Incorrect password. Where's Google? What is the D? I can actually spell. Okay, you see I'm on the right place. For OPNsense installer. Password OPNsense. Ah. So I shove this to the side. So installer OPNsense. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Continue with default key map. Sure. ZFS. Sure. The installer detected only 2 gigs of RAM. Since this is a live image, copying the full system to another disk requires at least 3 gigs of RAM. Who cares? Continue it anyway. Let's go. No redundancy. Because we live life on the edge. Let's go 300 gig hard drive that's inside. Not enough disk selected. Minimum less than 1. Change selection? Oh, do I maybe need to... you need to press spacebar. I'm an idiot. Last chance. Are you sure you want to destroy? Yes. Remove PFSense and give me OPNsense. Now we wait again. I don't know how far we are in right now, but I'm getting tired of waiting. We're stuck at 80%. Verifying. This is taking so long. Not gonna lie, I kinda went to TikTok to pass the time by. Realize I've been recording for like 18.5 minutes already. Can't this thing just hurry up, please? Oh, we got somewhere. I was distracted on TikTok. Okay, change root password. Please select the password. Very well. Confirm the password. Bump. Okay. What's next? Confirm and exit. Hold now. Power down the system. Yes. Power it down so I can at least remove the USB. Not have to play the fast game of pulling it out. I'll know when it's off once my room becomes nice and quiet. Because my word, are these fans super loud. You can't hear it. Uptime 15 minutes. Yeah, that's how long I've been waiting. It's so nice and quiet. Okay. USB's out. Push the big red button. And now my room's noisy again. Just what I wanted. So far, it seems like, is possible. I mean, we made it this far. I'm quite pleased about that. Boop, boop, boop. Let's skip that. Phoenix Technologies. OPNsense. You know, me doing that actually kind of reminds me of that, I'll put a snippet in. It reminds me from Subnautica when it says Altera. Was it Alteria? You know what? It's whatever. I'll just put it in. It reminds me of that. Altera. You get the point I'm trying to make? Starting config D. Probably gonna end up fast forwarding this until it's done. You know, editing this is gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, well, it's saying to me. Okay, well, there you go. It worked. Would you fancy that? There you go. There you have it. It's installed. Woo. I got so bored while waiting. Look at this janky setup I got going here before I end the video. Just look at this monstrosity. Hang on. Let me flip the camera here. So I was just chilling on my bed. got all the cables just running all into there. We don't look at that. You see what I'm saying I have to suffer with? I hope you can hear how loud this is on video. I hope you do this justice.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
But anyways, there we go, it's done. I'll probably make like another video, I guess, on like setting it up and whatnot. See how that goes. We can see. But yeah. Also, I hope you like the new style of format and everything. Just more of me just being myself, I guess. You know, not being straight and formal and instructive and all of that. Just more of me being myself on camera and getting comfortable with being on camera and everything. So hopefully you liked the style. If you did, you can like and subscribe or dislike. That's up to you.